Hey, Curious Bell here with another video, but this time I'm going to show you my 3D printer. This print is for USB sticks and SD cards. You can have one USB stick that can be hidden back here. This is the best I've ever had my 3D printer run. Look at the quality of those layers. I got this print and a lot of other prints like it from Thingiverse. You should check it out. I'll put a link in the description. In an upcoming video, I would like to make things that you guys suggest. Go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment down below with what you want me to make.